You need jealousy. Jealousy and envy are not wrong. Jealousy and envy are emotional informers arising in your body to make you aware of your responsibilities. Jealousy and envy force you to confront your ignorance of yourself. You're not jealous or envious of another person, but of the freedom that person expresses, the total confidence that person expresses in knowing who they are, what they stand for, without the need for your approval. You don't want the car or the clothes. You want the power that freedom from your beliefs this other person exemplifies. You want the confidence of total embodiment that you don't seek anyone's validation and you don't need it for your choices or your life. That means you take full responsibility for every single part of your life, every moment, every decision, every situation. To be completely free from jealousy and envy, take full responsibility for who and what you are. Live deliberately. Namaste.